Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Number 1174. Ooh, I love today's expression. It's such a useful expression. You know, maybe you, for example, you're studying English, right? And you feel as though you need to learn so much more. The fact is, you probably don't. Yeah, I'll talk about that in a second. But first, let's check out the dialogue. What is this great expression?
How's your project going?
Well, not too bad.
When do you think you'll finish?
I've got a ways to go. What an excellent expression. I've got a ways to go. Ways, W-A-Y-S, ways to go. A ways to go. This is a great expression, and it means I have a long way to go. I have a lot to do. So the dialogue was, how is your project going? So this guy is working on a project. How is it going? Is it going well? And the other guy says, well, not too bad, meaning it's going pretty good. Not too bad. You know, it's not easy, but things are okay. When do you think you will finish? The other guy asks. Oh, I've got a ways to go. Oh, it's going to take a while. I'm not close to finishing. I still have a lot to do. That is a ways to go. And like I said in the opening, you guys might think you have a ways to go to master English. But I'm here to tell you that's not probably true. For example, vocabulary. Do you think you know enough vocabulary? Or do you think you have a ways to go? Well, I'll tell you, you probably do not have a ways to go. When it comes to vocabulary, did you know? If you want to understand 90% of the words in a typical conversation between, native English speakers, you can imagine the sitcom, the TV show Friends. If you want to know 90% of the words, how many words do you need to know? The answer will shock you. The answer is 743. I'm not joking. 743 words. If you watch the TV show Friends, Ross, Chandler, Joey, Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, 90% of their dialogue is made up of 743 words. I'm not joking. That's a scientific fact. I have the list of words in our community, school.com/LME. So I have good news for you. You know the 743 words. The problem is you don't know how to use them. Just like in today's dialogue, ways, W-A-Y-S, to go. These words are easy. There's nothing too difficult about these words, but how we use them, that's what's tricky. That's what E Cubed is all about, easy English expression. It's daily English. That's what I'm teaching you. And remember, guys, you're listening to this podcast. Thank you so much. Please tell your friends. I really appreciate it. But listening alone is not enough. Writing it down is not enough. Saying it to yourself is not enough. You need to use it. You need to actually use it. And this is an expression you can use right away. I have a ways to go. My wife gave me lunch, a big bowl of soup. She said, how's the soup? Oh, it's really, really good. Are you almost finished? No, it's hot. So I still have a ways to go. I have a lot to eat yet. This is an excellent expression, but you need to use it and you need to make it yours. So how? Join my community. It's free. School.com/LME, SKOOL.com/LME. Go there. Join the group. Join the school. Join the group. No credit card, just your email, name and email address. That's all you need. Get in my community. We have live classes every week that you can join. and practice so that you can use English so that you can master English. Wow, this ended up being a long podcast. Well, that's okay. I wanted to give you this excellent information. All right, let's check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English.
How's your project going?
Well, not too bad.
When do you think you'll finish?
I've got a ways to go.
How's your project going?
Well, not too bad.
When do you think you'll finish?
I've got a ways to go.